Have you ever stood on a beach and watched the ocean breathe? The tide rises and falls like a sleeping giant, but what makes the ocean move in this way? The answer lies far beyond our world, in the vast expanse of space. It's the moon that pulls on our oceans, creating the tides. This cosmic dance between the Earth, the moon, and the sea is a story of gravity, motion, and the interconnectedness of our universe. The moon might seem small and distant, but its influence is powerful. It's a silent conductor, orchestrating the rise and fall of our oceans every single day. The story of tides is a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. It's a tale that unfolds not just on our planet but across the cosmos. So let's dive in and explore the wonders of this celestial dance. Tides are the regular rise and fall of ocean water levels. Imagine a giant bathtub. Now, picture someone gently tilting the bathtub from one side to the other. The water at one end rises higher, while the water at the other end lowers. That's kind of what's happening with tides, but on a much grander scale. The moon's gravity is the invisible hand tilting our bathtub. It pulls the water on the side of Earth facing the moon, creating a bulge or high tide. At the same time, another high tide forms on the opposite side of our planet. The areas between these bulges experience low tides. This constant push and pull of the moon's gravity keeps our oceans in a perpetual state of motion. Gravity is a force of attraction between any two objects with mass. The Earth and the moon are locked in a gravitational embrace. The moon's gravity pulls on everything on Earth, including the oceans. This pull is stronger on the side of Earth facing the moon. Think of it like holding a water balloon. Your hand pulls on the balloon and the water inside shifts. The moon's gravity acts similarly on Earth's oceans. It stretches the water towards itself, creating a bulge of water, the high tide. On the opposite side of Earth, the moon's pull is weaker. This causes another bulge to form as the water is left behind. Twice a day, Earth's rotation and the tidal rhythm. If the moon's gravity creates two high tides, why do we experience them twice a day? The answer lies in Earth's rotation. Our planet spins on its axis, making one complete rotation every 24 hours. As Earth rotates, different locations on its surface pass through the areas of high and low tides created by the moon's pull. Imagine yourself standing on a beach. As Earth rotates, you'll move through a high tide bulge, then a low tide area, and then another high tide bulge within a 24-hour period. This continuous cycle of rotation and gravitational pull creates the rhythmic pattern of two high tides and two low tides we experience each day. The sun joins the dance, spring tides and neap tides. The sun also plays a role in Earth's tides, although its influence is weaker than the moon's. The sun's gravity can either amplify or diminish the moon's effects depending on their relative positions. When the sun, Earth and moon are aligned in a straight line, their gravitational forces combine. This alignment occurs during a new moon or a full moon. The combined pull creates extra high tides called spring tides. Now imagine the sun and moon are at right angles to each other, relative to Earth. This happens during the first and third quarter moons. During these times, the sun's gravity partially counteracts the moon's pull. This results in less extreme tides called neap tides. So the interplay between the sun and the moon adds further complexity to the dance of the tides. Riding the tides, human life, and the ocean's pulse. Understanding tides is crucial for many aspects of human life. For centuries, mariners have relied on their knowledge of tides for safe navigation. Fishermen use their understanding of tidal patterns to predict the best times to cast their nets. Coastal communities depend on accurate tide predictions to prepare for potential flooding during exceptionally high tides. Tides also play a vital role in generating renewable energy. Tidal power plants harness the energy of rising and falling tides to produce electricity. As we seek cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, understanding and utilizing the power of tides will become increasingly important. Tides, a universe in a drop of water. The next time you stand at the edge of the ocean, let the rhythm of the tides remind you of the interconnectedness of our universe. The moon, a celestial body hundreds of thousands of miles away, exerts its influence on our planet, shaping the very waters we swim in. Tides are a testament to the power of gravity, the constant motion of our solar system, and the intricate dance between Earth, moon, and sun. So, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of tides, a phenomenon that connects us to the cosmos and reveals the hidden forces shaping our world. There's a universe in a drop of water, and the story of tides is just one chapter in its vast and awe-inspiring narrative.